Hi friends, let's do a quick science experiment. This fun experiment, we're going to use a light and simple materials. So watch and follow me. So, we get glass. So we have Pikachu and make Pikachu stand in the glass. Ta-da! Now let's put some water in the glass. Carefully.
Pikachu!
Now we're going to get a portable light source like a flashlight or phone. Here it is. Now we're going to turn off the lights. And now we're going to turn on the flashlight. And now we're going to put the glass on the flashlight. Be careful, don't spill the water. Look at my face. Now let's get some turmeric and sprinkle it in the water. Time for some science magic. Here we go. Wow, look, check it out. Wow. Look at this magical turmeric cloud. When we put the yellow turmeric in the water, it breaks into super duper tiny little pieces, like magical pixie dust.
Pika! Pika pika!
When we shine our light, those tiny turmeric pieces are like little mirrors, bouncing light everywhere. That's why we see the light beam shine right through the water, making a bright glowing cloud. Isn't that magic? That was so easy and fun. Did you like that? Like and subscribe. Pika pika! I got this new Mr. Beast toy and I think it's slimy. Called Mr. Beast Lab Swarms. You're supposed to put water in this test tube and it will create slime. Not only that, it will give you 2 of these micro beasts that you can play with. Let's open it. Wow, check it out. Let's do this. Open. Water. Shake. Check it out, there's something inside. Look at the slime. We have Havocan and Wacky Whiskers. So we're still looking for a Hyper Chrome Panther. That's okay, I got 3 more. Subscribe to watch me open these. 1 more. Sari! Hi guys, today we're going to make bouncing bubbles. Find out how many times I can bounce the bubble. We will need a bowl, a small plate, a 1 tablespoon measuring spoon, a plastic knife, plastic spoon, dishwashing liquid, sugar, and some water. A bubble blower, and some gloves. Look, they're so colorful. Before we start, like and subscribe. First, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of sugar. When you're measuring, make sure it's flat. Here it is. Next, we're going to put 4 tablespoons of water.
1, 2, 3,
Some more.
4.
Next, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of dishwasher liquid. Make sure it's flat. We're going to mix it all together. So we're going to mix it slowly so it wouldn't spill. Let's use the plastic spoon. Right now we're going to make this sugar dissolve. In other words, it's going to disappear. Almost there. Look, it's almost gone. There you have it. This is so exciting. Time to wear the gloves. Time to wear the gloves.
Uh-oh.
No, it's the wrong way. No. Here they are. Oh. Let's try it out. Whoa! I'm going to try 2 hands. One more, let's count this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I reached up to 17! Did you like that? Like and subscribe for more experiments. See you! Time to bounce! These are colorful bouncy eggs. They're colorful squishy eggs without their shells. So get some eggs, vinegar, and food coloring, and let's get cracking with the experiment. Sari! Did you know eggshells are made out of calcium carbonate? It's actually the same compound in chalks and shells. That's why shells are hard and chalks are crumbly. Now here's some vinegar. Let's pour them in these jars because we're going to do something exciting. Did you see what I just did there? Excellent. Anyway, let's continue. Vinegar is a special liquid called acetic acid. Let's pour it in these jars. Now see what happens when we put our calcium carbonate in vinegar. Look at all that fizzing. It's so bubbly. So those bubbles are called carbon dioxide. It's from the reaction of the acetic acid breaking down the calcium carbonate. The same thing that will happen to our eggshells. Let's do this. So again, we're going to put vinegars in the jars. And then we're going to put some food coloring. Blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 2 more. Green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last, red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, they're so colorful. Don't forget to add color in your life. One more thing, like and subscribe. Now we're going to put our eggs in the vinegar solution. Okay. Let's put the others slowly, slowly. 2 more, slowly, slowly, slowly. Last, the blue. Slowly, slowly. Now if you look, it's starting to fizz. The vinegar is starting to dissolve the eggshell. But take note, this is a slow process. So we will wait for 2 to 3 days for the shells to dissolve. Hi guys, we're back. Time to check out our eggs. So what happened is the water of the vinegar went inside the egg. It's called osmosis. Time to check the eggs. Let's open it. I can already smell the vinegar. Whoa, look at that. Let's scoop it out. Whoa. Careful. Let's check the other eggs. Let's scoop them out. Whoa. Time to get the spoon. So what's the color? Whoa. What? Sweet. And whoa. Time for the blue one. Let's scoop it out. Oh, it's so big. Look at that. It's so big. Careful. There. For the last one, the red one. Whoa. Look. Let's scoop it out. Oh, I'm so excited. Whoa, it's ginormous. So red. It's red. Here. Perfect. Here we go. Yay. Need to wash them up. Oh, it's so squishy. Oh, I can see the color. It's like blue. Let's do the same for the other three. Time for the red one. Look, I dropped it. Oh no! It's okay, I got 3 more. Last, the yellow one. Careful. Ooh, time for the bounce test. Don't forget the goggles. Let's see which one first. Yellow. Here we go, here we go, here we go. What? Time for the blue one. What? Let's see the green, let's see the green. Whoa. Look, it's so squishy. The membrane is keeping it intact. Let's do more bounce tests. 1 jar. Whoa, look, it's so bouncy. 2 jars. What? 3 jars. All right. Oopsies. Look, so this is the egg. And all around it is the water. Did you like that? Like and subscribe for more fun stuff and see you in my next video. Hoo hoo.